Hi, I'm Dave Smith. I've been at Felsted for 11 years now. I'm head of physics and a physics teacher at Felsted School. We have 4 physics teachers in Felsted School. We have Mr. Palmer, Miss Price, Mr. Woodhouse and myself, Mr. Smith. And we have a technician called Mr. Howell who's been with the school a very long time and is an excellent technician. I think physics is one of the fundamental sciences. It's important in everyday life, in understanding how the world works, how your phone works, how everything works. If you're inquisitive and you like practical work, then physics is going to be the A-level for you. During your study in the sixth form here, there'll be extensions to the GCSE work, as well as some new topics, including particle physics. You'll be doing a lot more on fields and studying things like electric circuits in much more detail. At Felsted, we offer both the IB physics and the A-level physics. If you've got a massive interest in physics, I'll probably suggest that you take the A-level because you'll study much more physics content. IB, probably a bit more of a general studies, but still have that interest in physics, and you can still take the higher level if you need that sort of extension or a more deeper understanding of the physics concepts. In A-level physics, at the end of the course, you will have 3 exams as well as a practical endorsement, which may help you in engineering or any other practical subject that you wish to study at university. At IB, there are 3 exams, a multiple choice exam paper 1 and 2 written papers, and you will also be carrying out an IA, an internal assessment of your choice. At IB, your internal assessment can be on anything you would like to do, any interest that you have. You'll be able to carry out a practical towards your IB physics award. So it could be along the lines of sound waves, it could be along the lines of electric circuits, it could be some sort of mechanics, whatever you would like to do. It is expected that you will be working hard in A-level physics. A lot of independent study will be carried out by yourselves, and also we're looking for that inquisitive mind and maybe a little bit of background reading, possibly finding a book of interest in physics, some way to sort of extend yourself as well. In physics we have plenty of extension opportunities. We enter students for the Physics Olympiad, both in Year 12 and Year 13, and also we try to take as many trips as possible. We tend to try and go to the Cambridge Physics Masterclass, which is all about particle physics, and also any other trips sometimes to maybe some sort of physics talks. We've taken people to the Chelmsford Engineering Society talks and all sorts of other co-curricular activities. In physics, it can lead anywhere. A few people go into the city to work in money and business. It can take you to ICT, it can take you to engineering, it can take you into medicine, it can take you wherever you would like to go and it opens so many doors. It's such a good qualification to have. In the physics department, we have excellent facilities. We have all the equipment needed to carry out the practical work, and all practical work is carried out in lessons, so to enhance your knowledge and experience and help with any sort of practical work or practical career that you need to go into. In Felsted, the lessons and the classes are really quite small, so we have 14 or less in the class, and that's great for class discussion, great for interaction with the teacher, great for interaction with other students, and the ability to be able to ask questions and ask the teacher, I think, is very valuable and really great at Felsted School. If you need any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me at the school, and I'll be happy to help and answer any of the questions that you have on Physics A-level or Physics IB. There's plenty more information in the subject guide, so please feel free to look through that and contact me if you still have any questions. And now over to Alex and Elliot.
Hello, my name is Elliot and I'm the upper 6th and I'm taking physics alongside maths, further maths and German.
My name is Alex, this is my 5th year at Felsted and I'm studying physics A-level amongst biology, chemistry and maths.
I chose to study physics at A-levels. I really enjoyed doing the practicals at GCSE and I really want to do more of them because I find them very interesting, and I also love the randomness of some of them, so I find it's very, very interesting. Yes, and also the teachers are very, very enthusiastic as well.
I decided to study physics at A-level because I really love problem solving and I'm really interested in physics. I'm applying to medicine actually, but I thought that it would be nice to have physics as a 5th choice to apply to uni, so I'd need to have physics as an option.
I think that physics will help me when I go to university, because I would like to do maths for university, and there's some physics topics in the maths course as well, so that will help me do well in those. And also, if I wanted to do something in the future with physics, I could implement my knowledge from A-level and use that.
What I find the most enjoyable about physics is new things that we've done in A-level that haven't been in GCSE at all, such as things to do with particles, such as quarks. And because it's been so different from what we've done at GCSE, I found it really interesting.
I've really enjoyed the mechanics topics of the physics A-level course so far, such as projectile motion, and also using the Suvat equations, because I really enjoy maths and I enjoy using my mathematical skills as well in my physics work.
Normally we would be having a physics trip to a masterclass, but in these times it's not been able to happen. However, we've been doing things such as physics Olympiads to really help strengthen our knowledge and get something for the personal statement.
I feel like you really get pushed at A-level. So with the small classes, the teachers, they can have time to help you in the lessons, and also you can just speak to them afterwards, or if you're free, and you can go to speak to them if you're stuck with a topic. So I feel that that's really beneficial to someone who would want to take it.
I would recommend physics to everyone in year 11 really, because I think the teaching is so amazing. We do loads of practicals to reinforce the knowledge in lessons, and also at the beginning of lots of our lessons we watch really educational and entertaining videos by physicists such as Brian Cox, and it really helps to reinforce the knowledge at the beginning of our lesson.
I would recommend taking physics A-level because there's lots of new things, so you develop on things from GCSE, and also you go further, and the lessons are really interactive as well, so you feel like you get a good high level of teaching and also fun lessons as well.